Hi guys, see what we have here, guys. New order, new arrival, guys. So this order just came in today, but I have already opened it, but I want to show it to you all. So guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel. I'm a new YouTuber, guys, so let's check this thing out, guys. Let's see what is inside, because I don't know what is inside. Let's check it. Let's see what we have. Take a look. This is what I ordered for. Let's check it. Let's check it too. But when I wanted to order for this thing online, the thing was very big. But here it's too small. I don't know why it looks small here. Inside the app, it will look big. See, it's very small. Let's see it. Let's see what it is inside, guys. Let's check it and see. Hey, look. This is wool. Wool. This is wool. This is crochet pin. This is crochet pin. So different type of crochet pin. I ordered them because I want to use it to learn how to crochet. I want to use it to learn, so I placed an order for it, guys. You can see it. But the wood is small. Everything here is small because where I ordered it, the thing look very big. But here it's too small. So let's check it again. Let's check the rest. See, this one shocked me. This one shocked me. Oh, what is this? It's very small now. When I want to order it, this thing looks big. It looks so big. Look at it. It's very small, little. Now, wow. It's like I will not order any other thing online because what I got, I don't really like it. Let's check this out. I cannot even remember it. Okay. This is a Macrifo. If you want to do voiceover, that is why I ordered this Macrifo, because of voiceover. Let me check it all. I wanted to open it. The thing is hard. Oh, take a look. Okay. We will check this one out later to see how it be. Now this one can shock me pass. Now table stand I order. See what they bring come for me. What is this? Because I have the big stand, so if I want to cook, that one they very difficult. I can't see this one for table stand. I can't order and see as it's small. You know, we even reach anything. See as it's small. See the down. You put this one like this. You can't fix this one, joiner. That's how you reach you. You're not tall at all. Too small now. Okay. Let's continue, guys. So this one is shaped for handbag. So I want to learn how to make handbag. I can how do they call it? I can crochet small. So I want to learn it very well. So I order for the hands. So I will use this to make for myself. And I also order for hook. Yes, it's hook now. I wanted to open it to check it. I order for hook. Different type. Yes, for hook. This one is very Dutch. I thought I ordered for gold. This one na dark gold. So I ordered different type of hook. This color, this Dutch one is okay. This one is okay. This is okay. But what I like for the things I ordered is only Macrifo and the fertility pin. Finish. Guys, please, guys, do me well to share this video. Love you all. This is what I got to.